Okay, this is the roll you get. It's the refrigerator antiseptic pad. It helps to fight against bacteria, anti-oil, anti-fouling, anti-frost, anti-proof, waterproof, moisture-proof, resistant stains, mildew-free. For right now, I'm going to put it in one of my drawers right here. So I'm going to turn this off so that I can cut it and put it in and show you. Okay, there it is. This is actually a full sheet. I had to cut a little bit, about 2.5 inches off the end of it to fit in here. And I was going to cut it just for the bottom piece, but I decided to let it go up the back, and it fits in there just great. I was kind of worried about cutting it straight, and then I realized that there's little dots on here, so you can just measure how long you need it and follow along one of the sets of dots to get it cut right. Comes in several different colors: blue, green, clear, blue's in there, green, a clear color, a pink, and there's the blue. But you do have on the back side of the paper, it comes with some instructions, and you want to make sure the inside is clean, doesn't have any dirt or oil residue on it, and it's dry before you put it in. It helps protect the appliance cabinet and drawers. It's made of plastic, polyurethane, EVA, neutral deodorizer, natural deodorizer. But anyway, they're also for the shelves, so these are nice. I love them. I can't wait until I install them on my shelves. But there you go, in my drawer. You can either cut it just for the bottom or leave the excess to go up the back.